You can expect a lot from the 2014 Buick Regal. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes heated seats, leather upholstery, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, heated steering wheel, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Buick's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.